One of the most important scientific issues of the day is global warming. Global warming is subject to a debate, and there is no full consensus yet, but there is growing scientific evidence of greater and greater reliability that human activity is fundamentally altering the atmospheric composition of the entire planet, with a possible increase in temperature as a result. The evidence for global warming is growing, but it's not yet totally unambiguous. While it is true that carbon dioxide is growing in concentration in the Earth's atmosphere by about 20% in the last 50 years, the causal connection between CO2 increase and temperature rise has not been demonstrated beyond doubt. In fact, the engine of the Earth's atmosphere and climate is primarily the oceans, which contain 90% of the thermal capacity. So until we are carefully measuring the temperature structure of the Earth's oceans, we will not have enough information to make accurate climate models. Another problem is that historically there have been large changes in temperature that have rivaled the current changes that are seen, and we do not understand those changes, which take place over hundreds or thousands of years. Nonetheless, the evidence is disturbing. In the last 100 years, the mean temperature measured across the Earth has increased by about 1.5 degrees, with 6 of the hottest years in the last century occurring in the last 15 years. Whether this is part of a systemic increase in temperature or not cannot yet be said with absolute certainty, but it would be very dangerous to take a chance. For example, 3 to 5 degrees is the typical amount of climate change associated with an ice age. So the consequences of even a couple of degrees of global warming would be devastating for world's agriculture and for the world economy.